Hello, kids. This is teacher Yumi, and today we will have another set of spelling words. So let us start. Really, round, sand, shout, silver, smell, stairs, store, supper, soft, ring, seed, shine, sign, six, sound, step, strong, talk, spot, really, 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 round, 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 send, 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 shout, 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 silver, 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 smell, 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 stairs, 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 store, 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 supper, 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 soft, 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 ring, 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 seed, 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 shine, 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 sign, 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 six, 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 sound, 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 step, 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 strong, 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 talk, 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 spot, 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 spot. Okay, your turn to spell now. Okay, let's read it again. Really. Really. Round. Sand. Shout. Silver. Smell. Stairs.
Store.
Supper. Soft. Ring. Seed. Shine. Sign. Six. Sound. Step. Strong. Talk. Spot. Okay, once again, this is teacher Yumi saying thank you and God bless.